what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I just spent the morning getting some work done, so now I'm gonna head to the gym and get my workout out of the way. We're trying to get the bod on fleek for summer, so I hope this video can give you guys a little motivation as well if you're also trying to get into your best shape or if you're just trying to start a healthy routine. I was a little off my game this past week or so. I've just been eating out a lot more than usual, so this week I'm trying to cut back on that because I just personally don't feel my best when I do that. So I'm trying to cook more meals at home this week. I think when you're trying to up your fitness game, it can be really helpful to sit down and think about where your weaknesses are. So for me, that is like eating out for lunch. It's just a good first step to get back on track and see where you need to improve. Okay, and then for the rest of my summer Get Fit plan, I really want to try to move my body every single day, even if it's just for like 10 to 15 minutes. I had done it for like a week straight before, and my mental health was just so amazing at the end of the week. I was feeling so great and accomplished, so I just really want to try to do that again. I'm also patiently waiting, more like eagerly waiting for the weather to warm up so that Arie and I can go play tennis outside. I've been really wanting to do that. I've never really played that much, but I think it would be fun to just play a sport and get outside. So yeah, it's just like a fun way to exercise. And then lastly, I've even been contemplating joining a workout class. It would be very new to me, so I'm a little nervous to do it. I've kind of been putting it off, but I just think it would be fun to try something new, step out of my comfort zone, maybe meet some new people. So, you know, hopefully I can gain the courage to try it out and just see if I like it.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
Does anyone else just feel 10 times happier when the sun is out? Because it literally makes my day so much better. Alright guys, it is lunchtime now. I'm super hungry, so I think we're just gonna do like a simple hummus bowl with some chickpeas in it. It just sounds really good right now. So we have some tomatoes, some feta cheese, some red onion, cucumbers, and chickpeas. Did I already say that? I don't know. Some hummus, and then we're just gonna spice it up with some spices, olive oil, and some lemon juice and make it super fire. So let's make it. So now we're gonna air fry the chickpeas just to get them nice and crispy. You don't have to do this, but it does add a bit more texture to your hummus bowl, so I like to do it. We're gonna cook it at 390 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, not to tune my own horn, but I kind of snapped though. This looks amazing. Are you kidding me? So colorful. And as you guys saw, I added some ranch seasoning to the chickpeas, and I swear I made them like 10 times better. They have way more flavor, and this just looks so delicious. I'm so excited to eat it. I'm also dipping some of these Trader Joe's multi-seed crackers in here, and it's so good. Oh yeah, before I make dinner, I wanted to tell you guys about this book that I just recently finished. I literally read it in 2 days because it was that good. It's a thriller, and it's kind of like a really spooky one. It's more spooky than my usual ones, I feel like, but I just honestly loved it. It just keeps you on the edge of your seat, and it's just like a crazy ass story. It's called The Overnight Guest by Heather Gudenkopf. I probably butchered that, but basically this girl that is 12 years old, her parents get murdered in the middle of the night, and yeah, it's just like a whole mystery on who did it. And while they're going through that mystery, there's also 2 other stories simultaneously being told. It kind of goes like back and forth between the chapters. So yeah, it's just really interesting. Every chapter is super good. So yeah, it's just like a crazy story. I loved it so much, and I kind of wish that I didn't read it so fast, but it's too good. I still need to order a new thriller, so if you guys have any recommendations for me, then please let me know, because I'm trying to get one ASAP. But I did actually end up picking up another motivational book because I don't even know what I was reading last. I can't even remember because I haven't read one in a little while. But I bought The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This one is a really popular self-help book, so you guys have probably heard of it. So I was really excited to read it and see what the hype is about. Quick side note, this water bottle is so small that whenever I go to take a sip, I've already drank all of it and it's always empty. So it's super annoying. I don't know why I just started using it again. I have a taller one, but I don't know. I've just been using the more compact size, and I'm getting annoyed again and realizing why I switched to the bigger size. But anyway, this book is all about improving your mindset and just living in the present, not worrying so much about the past and the future. And I definitely needed this because that is something that I struggle with. So I was really trying to work on it. It's kind of a slow read though, I will say. I mean, it is a motivational book, so that kind of makes sense, but I've just been reading like really fast-paced thrillers, so this is like a big change up. I literally just tried to take a sip of this again. I'm done. Okay, tonight's dinner is super easy to make. We're making a cilantro lime honey baked salmon. It is seriously so fire. I've already made it a couple times. I've been really into the flavor cilantro lime lately. Like, I've been trying out a bunch of recipes with that flavor. So yeah, I love this one. It's so easy and delicious. I'm making one for me and one for Arie, so I have 2 tin foils here. They're gonna go around the salmon. So all I've done so far is just pat dry the salmon. Now we're gonna brush the salmon with some olive oil. On all sides. And we're gonna season them all over with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to cover both of them in some fresh cilantro and fresh garlic. And I like lots of cilantro, so. Now we're just going to top both of them with some honey. I'm just squeezing lime juice all over the salmon. While that's baking, I'm gonna take care of this nightmare over here. Oh my goodness, so many dishes. I'm gonna wash those, put those away. And then I also have some clean dishes that I need to put away in the dishwasher. Dirty rags everywhere too. It's just a mess. And while I take care of this, I'm gonna watch some Fairly Odd Parents because I just realized that it was on Netflix. I don't know if it was already on there or it just came on, who knows, but I just wanted to relive it because I used to watch it when I was little. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. now, but I really wanted something sweet, so I just made something up. I just did a rice cake with some peanut butter and some chocolate chips, and then I heated it up in the microwave so it's nice and warm and melty. Not too bad, it will do. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. Nala is screaming because she wants to play. But I'm gonna end the video off here because I have to get up early to go to a cat sitting. So I need to get some good sleep. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness content. Give this video a like and leave me a comment down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.